One of the biggest mistakes Amazon affiliates make is choosing products that everyone else is reviewing. That means you're competing with thousands of influencers for the same clicks, the same traffic, and the same commissions. Viral View solves this problem by helping you identify low competition products that still generate sales, giving you a real edge. Think about it. If you pick a product that's already overcrowded, your review video or storefront link gets buried. It's harder to rank, harder to stand out, and harder to earn. But when you target products with less competition, you instantly increase your chances of getting noticed. Not only does this boost your clicks and commissions, it also helps you build authority faster because you're not just another face in a sea of reviews. This is where Viral View makes a huge difference. Inside the web app, you can use filters to sort products by competition level, viral score, and estimated sales. Instead of manually guessing, Viral View shows you which items have strong demand but fewer affiliates pushing them. These are the hidden gems. By targeting these products, you can position yourself as one of the first reviewers, which often means your video gets featured in the Amazon carousel earlier, and your storefront stands out to shoppers. That's what I call a first mover advantage. This strategy is especially powerful for small influencers. If you're just starting out, it's tough to compete against big creators reviewing high competition products. Viral View levels the playing field by pointing you to items where you can win early, build momentum, and still earn solid affiliate commissions. Over time, stacking these wins helps you grow your credibility and income. So if you're tired of fighting scraps in overcrowded niches, it's time to work smarter, not harder. Viral View helps Amazon affiliates stop competing and start winning with low competition, high potential products. Click the link in the description to try Viral View today and start finding products that actually make you money.